move this thing somewhere?
She's on a stuffing.
I don't know. I think I need the whole thing.
You should turn that this
Yeah.
sideways. Yeah, we'll get more if we need more. There she gets her stuffing.
TikTok me.
TikTok you. Woohoo!
TikTok my
These are-
cooking videos.
These are Kayla's jalapenos, pinos.
Yeah, for all the generations.
So what do you got? What's that you're mixing? Just cream cheese? No, nothing else?
Cream cheese with some secret sauce.
Some secret spice?
Some secret recipe.
Salt and pepper stuff like that?
This is the SpongeBob's, or Mr. Krabs' secret recipe for jalapeno poppers.
His cream fillings. Wait, that doesn't sound right. We got the olive cutter, dicer, slicer.
Then you pour the bacon inside. And you mix it up like this. Oh, yeah.
Get it, girl, get it. And that is what? That is
you
fresh bacon?
fold it in like, oh, yeah. Fold the bacon in. Okay, go grab
And then
bacon.
the artichokes, you gotta dump the juice out of the can.
Can you get the breadcrumbs so I can...
Breadcrumbs. Artichokes are good. Especially because they come with hearts. For those that don't have any heart. What am I getting, Kay?
The breadcrumbs.